Yeah, this game's really like a stable and good game. But you should totally buy it, Buey. If you're watching, I wonder, it's pretty good. It's not bad.
You too can leave your friends to die on the extract when the game fails you.
I mean, yeah, you can. It's a feature.
I assume it was a heroic 5-star extract.
It can be. It can be so many. It can be a 6-star.
It can be whatever you want it to be.
Exactly. We're actually a motivational channel in hiding, like disguise. Keep trying. You can do it. You deserve this. The future is yours. Oh, let's start quoting Arnold Schwarzenegger that I listen to while I do rowing.
And now, roll harder.
Work your ass off.
Allied destroyer has
The worst.
He's great. He's like, I was doing weights for 6 hours, and then I was working in construction, and then I went to acting classes, and I was like, that sounds like the most exhausting day of all time. And you did that. You did that every day.
Well, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah, I know, but it's kind of inspirational. I mean, like, I'm gonna link to the motivational Arnold Schwarzenegger video at the end of this.
All right, let's go.
Right.
Yeah, we've got our boy back. Go away, Will.
No. Dude, you weren't listening to my motivational speech.
Right. Right. Okay, the decision has been made.
Are we continuing our incredible?
Yes.
This entire operation is mine again.
You could have done so much better.
Oh, God bless you, Kim.
Mine apocalypse.
That's like way better. That's significantly better than before.
What, Mine-ageddon?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
what?
Democracy has spoken.
What?
And you have to take the ammo because I have to take this.
Oh,
it's gonna be beautiful.
Ah. Okay.
This is so stupid.
I'm going to post on the Discord asking what is the worst build against each faction.
Oh, damn it. This is episode 2. Ah, shut up, Kyle. It's episode 2. We're going to say the intro again.
What do you mean it's episode 2?
That's episode 2. We're going to cut it the last episode, so this is going to be episode 2.
We don't have to say the intro per episode.
Yeah,
hi, everyone, and welcome to the incredibly...
Legendary Scrubs.
The Legendary Scrubs, that's what we're called.
Gamers.
Oh, God. How is it worse? How is it worse than the first time?
You cannot cut this.
Legendary Scrubs, episode 2.
Worse.
Welcome back to Legendary Scrubs. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you like our content.
Don't say it again.
Ignore Kyle forever because he's a big nerd. Anyway.
Oh, God.
I'm already on fire. I'm already dead.
Well,
I have exploded.
More reasons to ignore Kyle forever.
Oh, there's a drug tower, boys.
I'm less concerned about that and more concerned about my...
Wow, this has gone super well early doors.
This is that, like, amazing content everyone wants to watch.
Oh, they've called a drop-in too.
Oh my God, we have all the worst things. Alright. That's okay. I'm gonna need to be quick.
In the interest of continuing this operation, should we go and do something else and come back here?
Yes.
No, we're totally fine. We'll be fine.
I'm just gonna hope that this Hulk just dies of natural causes. Oh, yeah. Fuck. Whoever threw the minefield directly at me, I hate.
It's probably me.
God damn it!
I might have accidentally fired the little boy. Thinking I had the crossbow.
That's okay. That's alright. It doesn't matter.
This
Nothing.
was-
Let's say our
Mine's in the
famous.
deep snow.
What did you say
Oh, no.
last week? It was like last night. It was like nothing matters and you shouldn't try. We're just leaning into that. I'm on fire. Let me out.
Call me in
yeah.
the direction of the panel, so one of
I'm
us can
gonna
make it.
go to the panel.
I'm
Panel's
in.
fine. I'm not
Maybe
gonna
don't go to the panel.
I'm not gonna go to the panel.
I just saw you yell for an explode.
It turns out there were a few mines underneath the stairs leading to the panel.
Go Stratagem.
Ah,
Yeah.
Joining the fray.
So I
Okay, I'm gonna
exploded,
play
and then I
everybody's
was
favourite game,
on fire.
and
and then your exploding armor killed me.
You're welcome.
Go. I took it away, but it was landed next to you. God damn it.
Cover me, guys, please.
No, you were on your own. You got it. You're doing great. You're doing that weird pipe game that is somehow a core
That is
part.
so haggard.
In the future, there is only weird pipe burning games.
I'm trying to not step on a mine, and it's working so far.
I did it somehow.
Man, you're
Okay,
good. It's
quick.
like you're a teacher.
I've got
Yes.
Alright, we just need one Aggie. I'm on it. Aggie's got it. Great stuff.
He doesn't have it.
I don't got it. I don't got it. Something killed me. Who knows?
Alright, it is done.
Yay, that only cost us 7 lives.
We don't even need them.
Oh, God.
You're right. Objective.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
Hell yeah.
100 meters. Democracy has landed.
Oh, supplies.
Wait.
Oh, that's a gas mine. God damn it.
Calling down
fortifications. Yeah. What is this?
Requesting fortifications.
I wouldn't go in there, Carl.
Ooh.
I know. Probably gonna have. I've got the connection issue thingy, so I might be the next one to experience.
Uh-oh.
Oh god, we're good at this. Trust us, we don't live in a third world country. Although sometimes the internet won't work.
Dropships.
Where's
No,
that?
fine.
Calling down fortifications.
Don't mind the mines.
The launch codes are in fact on the exact spot Kim dropped all his mines.
Oh, did you drop out, Kyle?
No.
Oh, well, it just said you joined Helldivers, probably.
Okay.
I got her.
I'm in.
I
And somewhere
hate-
here.
Why won't you stick flaming thermite grenades? Why?
Are the launch codes? Where are the launch codes? I'm gonna die.
Died doing what he loved.
Who threw gas all over the place?
Me.
It was Kimmy.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't really expect everyone to just like run in there.
But it's the objective location. What did you expect?
I've got the launch codes.
Oh.
It's all coming up, Gunter.
Yep.
Rare sample acquired.
Alright.
All
We're
right.
doing great. We're doing.
Cost
I'm
five.
getting shot to pieces.
I'll come to you.
All right. Advancing across open ground,
In the face of a turret.
which doesn't see us.
That guy
Yeah.
is evil. If you're near him, run away.
Requesting fortifications.
The good news is I am luring the enemy away from Will.
Don't fall down the giant fucking crevasse. Kyle.
I know. I saw it. It's
I
I'll
have a
miss
habit.
it.
Cool.
Calling down
Is it over there?
Marking location.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna mine up this whole thing. So don't fucking go in there until everything's dead.
Billy, back up.
God, it's stuck to him.
Calling down fortification. Reloading. Fortification.
All right, I've found the generator.
Good. You're doing it.
Calling down fortification.
Still worried about that turret.
Calling down fortification.
Yeah, you should be. But, you know, I believe that maybe we can throw a thermite on it. I don't know if that works.
Requesting fortification.
On that note, turret is turning.
That's okay. It's definitely not okay. Ooh. The snow hinders my speed.
Funny that.
Thanks, Kyle. Thank you. Wow.
I mean, that's a little bit ironic. I totally just started one of my own mines.
Incredible.
Calling in reinforcements.
Oh,
Hooray.
Holding, you are in range of enemy artillery.
I looked at my little.
Coughing a lot, but that's okay.
Joining the fray.
Everything's on fire. Nope,
I'm scared.
I'm on fire. Well, I've exploded. No, I'm alive.
okay.
Whoever killed the
Tentatively.
Hulk, great job.
Thank
Nope.
you.
You can't even go anywhere near it because everything is gas.
Hurry to my beacon. Yeah, it's too bad. Warning, you are in range of enemy artillery.
Okay. Everything's going smoothly.
Oh my god.
Everything
Except
going
him
smoothly.
dying again.
Range of enemy
One of your mines that time.
Going- Kyle, why?
Liberate.
One of your mines again, Kyle.
Oh,
Billy, call us in.
save us.
God, why? Thank you.
Right.
Alright, back to business.
Good job.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been
All right. Just don't step on a mine, I guess, that are everywhere. All right.
Okay.
Just
Right
you
there,
got
that's
it.
on.
You got
That
it. You
one,
got it.
fuse
You got
4,
it. You got
fuse
it.
5.
You got it.
Okay, up to 95%, 100%. Kim
Cool.
got his fused opals.
Someone had already picked those up.
Oh God.
reinforcing.
Ooh.
Calling down fortification. Requesting fortification.
Okay, we're almost there.
Yep, we're doing it.
Warning, you are in
Pull the lever, Kronk.
I am hesitantly making my way towards the lever.
All right.
Oh god.
Bye-bye.
calling in reinforcements.
Woo!
My game lagged out when I was in the face of that flame from that Hulk and I
Oh,
died.
no.
Alright, quickly to the ICBM with our 4 reinforcements.
It's fucking way. Oh, cool. Let's go back towards our mines. That's awesome.
Northwest.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna
Right
follow
past
him
enemy
because I
artillery.
feel
Woo!
safe with him.
Warning, you are in range of enemy.
Alright, come here, Hulk. I've got a thermite with your name on it. Wow, I don't even need it. Sick.
Oh, I'm being shot at.
Dropship. Danger. Find that bait.
All right.
Calling, you are in range of enemy artillery. Calling down.
Calling in reinforcements.
Get ready, guys. Resupply pods coming in with our little turret.
Yeah, little turret. Get him, little turret.
Ready to liberate.
Hmm.
Objective critical strategy.
Wow, it's actually doing some work.
Take it.
Oh shit. Ha! Sucked at meat, man.
Good God. See you later, Billy.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start running after you guys. Oh god, the third one.
I'm gonna check down some gas behind you.
Yeah,
Take that back. I'm gonna chuck gas right at you.
that's fine. I'm equipped to deal with that.
Excellent.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh, that's a factory strider.
That's okay. If you just keep running, you should be fine.
Yeah.
Don't just pretend it's not there.
Exactly.
If you can't see it, it doesn't exist.
Welcome to the anti-tank mines, damn you.
God. There's also a turret shooting things, so just, you know, good luck.
Winning.
Are you right there, Carl?
I'm tentatively making my way,
Downtown?
walking fast.
People pass.
My mind's and I explode now.
Why? Why? Why not just sing the rest of the popular song?
No, that was far superior.
This channel will appeal to no one. Ah!
Calling down fortifications.
Ah!
Fortifications.
God, I love that stupid fire explosion. I'm so glad you took that.
Fire explosion?
Yeah,
Oh,
when you
yeah. That thing. Everyone's favorite support thing.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah. No thanks to you.
Hey. Okay.
I got a Hulk and I don't have any thermite.
Internet doesn't want
If you got a Hulk, I have a solution!
He's gonna die.
2, 5, 6. Yep, that's it. Do the thing. Oh, locks.
Okay.
Get the lock.
I'm on it. New mag.
Down for that radar tower.
Meat men
Yeah.
behind you.
That's okay. Ah, it's not okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ow. You guys are
I
doing
didn't even
great.
step on it.
Whatever you guys are doing, you're doing great. Keep it up.
God, if only I'd bought the stim pistol.
No
Now,
one.
there's an idea.
No, it's a
Oh.
terrible idea.
God, the factory strider. Come on, radar. Rise. Rise.
Rise from the
Holy shit, the anti-tank mines killed it.
That's
Yes.
Oh.
That's great recording right there.
Well,
Yeah.
I didn't see it, so nothing happens.
No, it's the noises I'm making.
I think the dish is...
that's fine. Like, no one expects to hear, like,
Oh, right.
quality audio.
I think she's ready to go.
What?
Tagging.
Yep, she ready to go. Done.
Excellent.
The LIDAR station.
LiDAR.
Oh, God, yeah. LiDAR. That thing.
All the readings are alive.
Also, I found this. Billy, look at this.
Oh my god, you got a shovel!
Yeah, you can dig a hole.
Oh good!
Hold right click, Kim, and start
Yeah,
for free.
I have.
He's all over it.
And then you can, like, hide in your own defilade.
That's great.
That's actually sick.
Yeah.
See how deep you can go.
And then see how low you can go.
And then put on those apple bottom jeans.
No one will get that either. That
What?
is for no one.
You can go about this deep. That's as deep as you can go.
Now keep going.
I got the terminal.
It's stopped animating properly. That's as deep. That's as deep as you can go. You can go as deep
That's
as something
all
that you
zero.
can crouch in.
Good luck, everybody.
We did it.
We did it.
Thank you for putting mines directly in my path.
Yeah, well, if it makes you feel any better, Carl killed himself by forgetting they were there.
No, I didn't. I just stepped into some gas and then fell forward while on fire and exploded.
Oh yeah, this place is riddled with them.
Hey, we were defending the objective.
Nope.
Ooh. Alright, everyone make a break for Chris. I'm out of here, guys. I am out
Oh
of
no,
here.
we don't have any reinforcements.
Goodbye.
You are the last reinforcement.
I'm the last Mohican. That's a reference to
Mohican?
Mohican. Mohican?
Mohican.
Mohican. That's what I said.
I don't think that's what you said, but okay.
Well, look, my voice is going through a mic and traveling through the internet, so we're just gonna give me some little bit of leeway here.
I'll see you later.
All right. Hell yeah.
Oh god,
Alrighty.
so many mines.
Cam, you're not killing anything behind you.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Ooh, I'll meet you guys there. Good luck.
Calling down fortifications.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the long way. I think.
Calling down fortifications.
Stem, you bastard! Watch out for the mines I just threw down behind us and run!
No, don't do this to me.
But
Oh no.
We got this. Ooh.
Oh, that's a... Yeah, right. No, go the other way.
I'm gonna go around the giant hole and hopefully we'll be straight shot to the exit.
Yeah, have fun with that.
calling down fortifications.
It's gonna go great.
Oh, I'm just gonna slip past this tank. It's going to the mud field. Capital.
Oh no.
It's not... Oh, no, they're already out.
Yeah.
Well, what the hell are you carrying?
What do you mean? I'm not carrying anything.
Is that your head?
What?
It looked like your head was on a large pole.
You know, that's pretty weird, but my head is
Quick,
not currently on a
digging the
large hole.
trenches.
Yeah, no, actually that's a good idea. Dig the holes that will keep us alive.
No, I don't have it anymore because I died.
Shit.
Oh,
Oh no.
yes.
Alright, well everyone chuck down your
Oh,
mines.
Calling down fortifications.
well, it'll definitely help against these guys.
Well, I'm gonna chuck them down before I die.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that turret's ranged on us. Behind
Yeah.
you. Kyle.
Yeah, press Q, or whatever you binded it to.
Seconds.
Requesting fortification.
What do you want?
Required.
Well, ping it.
Oh, right.
Can we shoot this thing down with
There we go.
conventional bullets?
Yes, you can.
Okay, let's do that. Concentrate fire.
Is there a supply beacon around here by any
Yeah, there was. I tried to put it in like a tactical position.
That's never reassuring.
It did exist.
Oh,
Supplies.
come down, join us.
Watch out, guys. Don't stand near the point I'm coming down on.
I see there's a force.
Don't come down near us.
I was coming... I can't see where I'm coming down.
Where the hell are the supplies?
Whoa, there is so much stuff out there.
Ah!
Got one.
Ow.
Goodbye, Kim. You smell it.
I'm out.
Ouch.
It's working.
Kim's dead.
Oh, well,
My life is super Earth.
That's also a large can. Please die. Please die. Okay.
Yep. There you go, got it.
oh, Jesus, that tank dropped down there and
Oh, there's a factory strider.
Yeah, I noticed him earlier.
And you didn't warn us?
I did. I said there's a large guy over there,
Calling down fortifications.
and I pinged him.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Oh, damn it. Well, I sacrificed myself to get him with the little boy.
We'll bring someone back in 29 seconds.
Seconds.
More.
oh, what is?
More
that's
gunships.
Damn it. Oh no, that's not good.
good. Oh yeah.
That's bad.
Oh, come on, landing.
Alright, reinforce me.
I'm one with the ground. Whee! Whee!
Right, get in the chopper.
I can't fly.
Oh, no.
I'm
What have you
leaving
make
you.
it?
I was a snake. I was on the ground. Hell
I really
yeah.
hope I didn't kill someone with my drop. I tried to land away.
Democracy.
It fortunately doesn't do a crazy amount of damage.
It doesn't do much of anything.
That was so good.
That was actually sick.
Ah,
We're the best. Let's see if we get 2 stars for that. So then
No, we didn't
two
get
stars.
we didn't extract 2 Helldivers. I reckon we're still only going to get 1.
No, surely 2. Look at those sub-objectives.
Nope.
Oh,
Disappointing.
Told
We
ya.
only need to get 3 stars on the final one.
Alright.
And then
we have one more shot. Oh, look at those samples though.
I know. That's a few.
that is the correct definition for a few.
A few. We got one sample.
I'll just call it a few mines, and then it'll be a stupid inside joke.
Great success.
Alright. Time to check that friendly fire damage.
I killed next to no one, but that's okay. And
I
regret
How
nothing.
did you only die twice, Billy? Holy shit.
I have a lot of experience with shitty loadouts.
This is true.
Kyle, why do you have so many accidentals and friendly fire damage?
As you can see, all of you were not doing this properly. I chucked out 33 lot of mines, so I was doing my job, unlike the rest of you plebs.
Maybe those two things are related to the deaths. King
Hey,
deaths.